Blauberg Motoren China Company, established in 2014, is a part of Blauberg Group Germany to concentrate on easy brushless motors and fans manufacturing and supply chains China localization. Offering an extensive range of easy motors, fans, and intelligent ventilation solutions for air moving precisely and constantly with maintenance-free throughout the life cycle of products. It has greatly promoted the technical innovation and market development in the domestic ventilation field. Hundreds worldwide ventilation, refrigeration, air purification, home appliance. Companies from more than 90 countries are adopting Blauberg easy motorized fans in their products and systems that were protecting natural environment and indoor environment of our home to be sustainable, green, and clean. Our agents and distributors network and online service team cover most popular easy fan markets to ensure prompt technical support, customized solution consultant requirement, and after-sales service. Engineers' satisfaction could be guaranteed, and to be engineering a better life of customers in worldwide. Equipped with high-end talent team and modern equipment, we have over 10,000 square meter production workshop with over 150 employees working in it till 2022. We have numerous automatic winding machines, balancing machines, and comprehensive online motor and fan parameter testers, and 6 assembly lines that supported an annual production capacity over 500,000 units. Our technical support team committed to combine interactively easy external motor technology, integrated electronic control circuit, and aerodynamic design of fan impeller that satisfied customers' requirements in different applications by innovative fan solutions with leading experiment equipment, meters, tools in laboratory for motor reliability and fan air performance testing. We are pursuing extremely compact brushless permanent magnet synchronous external rotor motor to drive various impeller types and sizes, axle, backward and forward curved centrifugal, cross-flow, from minimum 30 mm to 560 mm diameter with airflow maximum to 12,000 cubic meters per hour, equal to 7,000 cubic feet per minute. Maximum motor input power goes to 1.5 kilowatt, equal to 2 horsepower, at rotor diameter 138 mm till 2022. Economically effectiveness supply chain back up our manufacturing team and quality management team could constantly offer stable products within promised competitive lead time. We continuously investment on semi-automatic or automatic motor and fan assembly lines, equipment, fixtures, and jigs to enhance our cost advantage production capability. Not only ISO 9001 quality management system adopted but also ISO 14000 environment management system and ISO 45001 occupational health and safety management system is adopting. For long-term eco-friendly and people-oriented sustainable development of company, continuously concentrate and contribute easy technology. Protecting our world with intelligent energy-efficient motor and fan solutions are our goal in an attempt to make tomorrow a greener and healthier world.